Conservator with the Public Art Collection here at the City of Calgary. I look after essentially the care and stewardship of over 1,300 artworks in our collection. So that involves the outdoor maintenance of larger sculptures and installations. It includes our collection of portable artworks, so smaller paintings, works of art on paper, smaller sculpture that we rotate throughout spaces throughout the city. So there's a lot of conservation work involved to ensure that those are kept safe in all of these less controlled environments where we're displaying artworks.